Okay, come with me because I am so excited to show you the inside of this gorgeous home at 2703 Kingswood Court right here in South Arlington. This is one of those homes that just feels special the moment you pull up. We're tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac and the exterior is so clearly well maintained. I love the long driveway. It gives you that extra breathing room and makes coming and going feel easy. And as you walk up, the entryway is clean, inviting, and just sets the tone for what's waiting inside. All right, let's open the door. Because this entryway, it is so lovely. You're welcomed by this grand staircase that immediately draws your eye, and the natural light pouring in from the windows just makes the whole space feel bright, open, and honestly, so inviting. It has that warm, welcoming feeling that makes you want to kick off your shoes and stay a while. Right off the entry, you've got a private study, a really charming space that's perfect for working from home, reading, or just having a quiet moment away from the rest of the house. Now, let's talk about why I absolutely love this main floor. There are no bedrooms down here, which means this entire level is truly designed for entertaining. And if you know me, you know I love hosting. Dinner parties, holidays, game nights, all of it. This layout just works. You've got not one, but two living areas, plus a formal dining space, all flowing so naturally into the kitchen. I love how open it feels, but you still have defined spaces, so people can gather, mingle, and spread out comfortably. Whether you're hosting a big holiday dinner or just having friends over for pizza and wine, this home makes it feel easy and so enjoyable. The kitchen really is the heart of it all. It's warm, welcoming, and perfectly positioned, so you're always part of the conversation. I can already picture people gathered around the island, kids at the breakfast nook, and conversations flowing into both living spaces. I love the appliances, the natural wood color of the cabinets, and just look at all the counter space. Plus, there is even room for storage and decorate above the cabinets. How lovely. This island is perfectly positioned for functionality and food prepping. I also just love how it's open to the other living room, and check out the view of the backyard with these windows. When I say perfect for hosting, you can watch the game, connect with those sitting outside by the pool while doing dishes. I told you, the flow of this home is great for hosting. And look, even a half bath down here for your guests next to the laundry room. All right, let's head upstairs because the upstairs is where this home really gives you room to breathe. Starting with the primary suite, and I'm just going to say it, it is huge. You have space for all your furniture, plus this totally charming sitting area by the fireplace that feels so cozy and private. And then there's the closet, massive, the kind of closet you don't outgrow. Honestly, this entire suite feels almost like its own little studio apartment, tucked away upstairs, just for you. I just can't get over how spacious this bedroom actually is. You've got to see it in person to really capture the size of it. The primary bath is just as spacious. Great lighting again, and you can see it has dual vanities, a deep garden, jetted soaking tub, perfect for relaxing after a long day. It also has a separate shower and private area for the bathroom. I just love it. And as if the closet wasn't big enough, you have an extra linen closet in this bathroom as well. What a retreat this bathroom is. Everything laid out in a way that feels comfortable and functional. Tucked nearby is one of the guest bedrooms, which I love for flexibility. Guests, teens, or anyone who wants a little separation. And right in the middle of the upstairs, you've got this lovely game room or family space. It's so nice and bright up here from all of the windows. Look, you don't even need the lights on. They've made this space into a game room, which is fun, and I like these double doors that open up the upstairs deck, where you can overlook the backyard pool and even see into Stovall Park. It's such a peaceful little spot. On the other side, you'll find two more generously sized bedrooms with a bathroom between them. These rooms have what looks like full-size beds in here and still plenty of space to walk around. This helps put the size of these rooms in perspective. Isn't it lovely? Okay, now let's venture back downstairs, and now let's step outside. At first, we are greeted with the covered patio area, thanks to the upstairs deck. We have an awesome brick oven to bring our party hosting events to life while sitting on the porch relaxing. But right now, it's winter, and I need you to pause, and I want you to imagine this space just a few months from now. Right now, you're seeing it in the quieter season. But come spring and summer, this backyard is going to be so green, so lush, and so incredibly inviting. Picture the lawn cleaned up, no leaves, everything fresh, with the landscaping filled in and the yard really coming to life. You've got this beautiful covered patio, thanks to the upstairs deck, and that charming brick oven just waiting to be fired up. And then there's the pool. In the warmer months, it absolutely becomes the centerpiece out here, sparkling, refreshing, and perfect for long summer afternoons. Whether it's kids splashing, friends lounging, or just floating with a good drink, this space is made for enjoying the season. What I really love, though, is that this yard gives you room to breathe. It's not just a pool. You have space to garden, to lounge, to sunbathe, or to host those easy, relaxed summer get-togethers. And over here, there's even more open space for recreation, pets, or whatever fits your lifestyle. Add in the direct gated access to Stovall Park, and this backyard really starts to feel like an extension of the outdoors around you. Not just a space behind the house, but a place you'll actually use and enjoy. It's one of those details that truly sets this home apart. If you want to see all the photos, the floor plan, and every last detail, click the link to learn more about this home. And if you'd like to tour it in person, I'd love to show it to you and help you decide if it's the right fit. No pressure, just honest guidance.